Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 6b. So let's start. So question number 4 is given, round up the following instructed to the nearest rupees. That means first one is given here, convert to nearest rupees. So question number A here is given 320 rupees 50 paise. So you have to convert this one as a nearest rupee. So what to do? Look, if in the paise room the paise is given greater than equal to 50 paise, that time you have to add 1 rupee to the with rupees. Clear? That means if paise is greater than equal to 50, that time you have to add 1 rupees with this rupees. If paise is less than equal to 50, that time you have to not need to add anything here. So look at here is given 50 paise. So this is greater than equal to 50. This is less than 57. Greater than equal to 50. That time you have to add 1 rupees with this. It will be 321 rupees. Now look at next one. So next question is given here rupees 68 and 25 paise. Now look at here, paise is less than 50. So not need to add anything to this. So this will be only 68 rupees a pen. Now look at another one. The last one is given here 8 rupees 96 paise. So what to do? This is one question, this is another, and this is another. 8 rupees 96 paise. So paise is given here 96, that is greater than equal to 50. That means you have to add 1 rupees with this 8. It will be 9 rupees a pen. Clear? Now go to next one, question number B. So question number B is given here, round up the following to nearest hour. So you have to convert this to nearest hour. Now look at here carefully. So we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, and half of this 60 minutes it will be 30 minutes. Clear? So if the minute room is greater than equal to 30, that time you have to add 1 with this hour. If this minute is less than 30, that time not need to add anything. Now look at here, this minute is greater than equal to 30, that time you have to add 1 with this 8. It will be 9, that is given PM. So 9 PM happen. Now look at another example. The next one is given here 10:48 AM. Now look at the minute room. Minute room is given here 48. So that is greater than equal to 30. So you have to add 1 with this hour. So this will be 11 happen. So just write here 11 AM. Now let's see another example. Question number the next one 6:10 AM. Now look at the minute room. So minute room is given here 10. So that is less than 30. So not need to add anything with this 6. So this will be as it is same happen. So 6 AM happen. Clear? So in this way you have to do left of the problem, question number B. Now go to question number C. So question number C is given here to the nearest year. So round up to the nearest year is given. So first one is given 10 year, 10 months. Now we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So what is the half of this 12 month? That is 6 months. Now go to the similar procedure. If this month room is greater than equal to 6, that time you have to add 1 with this year. If this month room is less than 6, that time not need to add anything with this year. Now look at this question. This month is 10 is given. So this month is greater than, obviously greater than 6. So you have to add 1 with this year. It will be 11 year happen approximate. Now let's see another example. The next one. The next question is given here 5 year 3 months. So look at here, the months room is given here 3, so that is less than 6. So not need to add anything with this 5. It will be as it is, same happen, 5 years happen. Now let's see another example. Question number 3, that is 24 years 6 months given. Now look at the months room, that is given here 6. So we know that if the months is given here less than equal to 6, that means even this one is equal given, that time you have to add 1 with the year. Clear? So here is given 6 greater than equal to 6. Here is given equal to 6 given. So you have to add 1 with this 24. It will be near about 25 years happen. Clear? So in this way you have to do left of the problem and question number 4. Thank you everyone.